My dad bought me a train, and I was so happy at that time. I've never seen a train before, so I wasn't sure what's inside the box. I had the immediate feeling that I want to ride on the train, and I didn't know what my dad is doing. It could be something related to the battery. Oh, yeah, by the way, my dad is an electrical engineer and he loved messing with things all the time. Oh, by the way, this is usually the spoon that I eat with. Now we started putting the rails together. Soon, my dad couldn't keep up, so he asked my mom to help him. I'm not sure why this is important, but I know that they are doing something so that the train can stay on the track. The train was almost ready to go, and yes, this is my first time riding a train. Riding on this train is extremely entertaining. It has buttons making the train sound, and yes, the train moves like a magic. I sometimes like to follow the train by holding the trailer. It's fun for me. I don't really like to ride the train out of home. Riding the train became my hobby, and I find it fun to watch TV while I enjoy the ride. I haven't thought one day that I can ride a train that goes backward. I mean, it's really fun when you don't have sight behind you. I'm sure though that the train is moving on the trails, so technically I shouldn't be going to a known area. One of the things that I like about this train is the trailer. I can place my other toys in it, or the train will take my toys from A to B. I was surprised to see how the train can move in parallel to the rails. I mean, it's really nice to see an open-minded train that can be hybrid. I'm really astonished. Sometimes my truck ran out of gas and I really needed help. So my dad suggested that I should let the train pull my truck to the nearest gas station. I guess he was right, except that there was no gas station inside our home. How sweet to see your truck that you love getting pulled by a train. I'm not too smart to analyze how this is happening, but I'm sure that the rope has something to do in connecting the truck with the train. I really love the sound of the tires when they move over the rails. It's music to my ear. It makes me calm, comfortable, and sees confidence that my train can pull anything behind. I just need to wish for whatever I can pull. Okay, that's it. I'm going around in a circle here. There is no way to find a nearby gas station. I don't need to pull my truck away from the train. This doesn't make sense anymore. I love my dog. My dad loved him too. And for some reason, my dad thought that the dog needed a ride. But honestly, I wasn't too much convinced about the idea. So I decided eventually to rescue my dog by pulling my dog away from the train. I will help you, my friend. I will do all what I can to get you out of this. My dog. I didn't know what to do other than trying again. I was about to give up. But no, this is not me. I'm on a mission. I gave up. It seems that I don't understand the technique of how can I help my dog. I tried but I couldn't. I also can't at this age talk, so all what I can do is to show sympathy to people around me. The only thing that I agreed on is to pull my useless remote control car that just worked for one day. I'm almost a toddler and I really can't operate a remote control car, so the best way is to pull this car behind. I honestly think that this train has a lot of use cases. My baby walker can finally walk me effectively. I mean, why toy designers never thought of this before? It shouldn't take much of their time to come up with such an idea for the other kids. I mean, it could be a little bit late for me now since I'm almost 17 months and I feel myself independent. But you know what? I'll fake it that I still need someone to walk me here and there. Every day morning is an exciting day for me. I wash my face, I have breakfast, then I ride on the train. I like going backward. I like putting forward. I like going backward. Forward, backward, forward.
Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Three little monkeys.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.